Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel Tips videos. In today's video, we will learn how to use the Excel function ChooseCols to choose a specified column from an array. Let's understand this with an example. This table shows the percentage calendar year performance of assets. We need to get the year and the standing investment columns next to each other. Therefore, at H3, type equals ChooseCols open bracket. Select the whole table range. Type a comma. Now type 1, 3, since the year and the standing investment columns are respectively in those column numbers. Type close brackets and press enter. And voila, the desired columns are now next to each other. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.